Hello students. In our previous period we have studied one example on this exercise 1.4. We will start the question number 2. Find dy by dx if x is equal to cosec square theta, y is equal to cot cube theta, and theta is equal to pi by 6. मागच्या प्रॉब्लेम पेक्षा थोडा वेगळा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. Here find dy by dx. In our previous question there is also find dy by dx, and x is equal to and y is equal to, both are the two functions with respect to theta or t parameter by using the derivative parametric function theorem. Here only x at theta is equal to pi by 6. Find the value of dy by dx at the value theta is equal to pi by 6. एवढंच एक्स्ट्रा आपल्याला हे क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळणार. Let us see solution. Here x is equal to, given that cosec square theta. Okay, firstly differentiate this with respect to theta. We get derivative of x with respect to theta is dx by d theta, and derivative of cosec square theta with respect to theta is by using that formula f of x raised to n formula. What is that formula? N into f of x bracket raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. By using this formula, here function is cosec theta. So cosec theta can be written as this cosec square theta can be written as cosec theta bracket square. So d by dx of f of x raised to n, here function is cosec theta. So by using this formula, here n means 2, n means 2, f of x means cosec theta, and raised to n minus 1 means 2 minus 1, there is only one power, 2 cosec theta into d by d theta. F dash of x means cosec theta the derivative, that is d by d theta of cosec theta, right? By using this formula, cosec square theta means cosec theta bracket square. So by using this formula, here we get 2 into cosec theta into d by d theta of cosec theta. Cosec theta चा power 2 minus 1, that is power 1. 1 power लिहित नाही, 1 power याच्यावर आहे, ऑलरेडी पॉवर नसतो म्हणजे 1 आहे पॉवर. सो 2 cosec theta and into derivative of that cosec theta. ओके, बघा आता काय, therefore we get dx by d theta is equal to 2 cosec theta into, in bracket, derivative of cosec theta is minus cosec theta into cot theta, right? So we get minus, आता multiplication होईल ह्या ब्रॅकेटचा आणि ह्या 2 cosec theta चा multiplication होईल minus 2 this cosec theta into cosec theta multiplication, we get cosec square theta and into cot theta, right? This is dx by d theta, and say that it is number 1. Now here y is equal to cot cube theta. This is the second function, that is y is equal to cot cube theta. So similarly here again differentiate with respect to theta. So we get dy by d theta. Here derivative of y with respect to theta is dy by d theta is equal to, now again using that formula f of x raised to n. So we get here n is 3, so 3 into cot raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2 cot square theta into d by d theta of cot theta, d by d theta of cot theta. So we get now dy by d theta is equal to 3 cot square theta as it is, and into, in bracket, derivative of cot theta. What is derivative of cot theta? Minus cosec square theta. This is the derivative of cot theta. Now we get here minus 3 cot square theta into minus cosec square theta, that multiplication becomes minus 3 cot square theta into cosec square theta, and say that it is number 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Now by theorem, which theorem? Derivative of parametric function. derivative of parametric function. What is the theorem? dy by dx that is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, right? This is the theorem. And now here by using or from equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get dy by dx is equal to, now substitute here dy by d theta बनावं लागेल आपल्याला, theta आहे की नाही, dt च्या ऐवजी d theta. So from equation number 2 dy by d theta is minus 3 cot square theta into cosec square theta divided by dx by d theta. What is dx by d theta? Dx by theta from equation 1 minus 2 cosec square theta into cot theta, right? Now here this minus and minus sign becomes plus 3 by 2. And this cosec square theta numerator and the denominator cosec square theta get cancelled. Okay. And the denominator cot theta and the numerator cot theta 1 cot theta can get cancelled. We get only 3 by 2 into cot theta. एवढंच शिल्लक आहे. So this is the dy by dx. But here find not only dy by dx. So dy by dx find at theta equal to pi by 6. So here in bracket dy by dx and here at theta equal to pi by 6, that is equal to 3 by 2 into cot pi by 6. We get 3 by 2 multiply by, now here cot pi by 6, cot pi by 6 means cot 30, okay? Because pi means 180 and 180 by 6, that is 30. So cot 30, what is the value of cot 30? आता बघा cot 30 ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला लक्षात येत नाही अर्जंटली, तात्काळ लक्षात येणार नाहीये, मग आपण रफ मध्ये कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं. व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ cot 30? cot 30 इक्वल टू cos 30 अपॉन sin 30, राईट? मग आपण असं करायचं sin 30 cos 30 by sin 30. So we know that sin 30 ची व्हॅल्यू असते 1/2 and cos 30 ची व्हॅल्यू असते √3/2. कसं लक्षात ठेवणार? sin 30 लक्षात ठेवायचं फक्त 1/2, ओके ना? sin 0 sin 30 1/2, त्याच्या उलट लक्षात ठेवायचं √3/2. So this 2 to get cancelled and only √3 is the value, right? √3 is the value. Now 3√3/2, this is our answer. 3√3/2 is our answer, right? This is the value of dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 6 is 3√3/2. ओके, अशा पद्धतीनं हे सोल्युशन आहे. आपण आता आणखीन एक प्रॉब्लेम या टाइप मध्ये असलेला बघू. आपण अजून एक सोल्युशन आपण याच पद्धतीचं बघू. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. If x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, and at theta is equal to pi by 3. Theta equal to pi by 3. थीटाची व्हॅल्यू पाय बाय 3 असताना आपल्याला dy by dx ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. सेम याच पद्धतीनं प्रॉब्लेम आहे बघा. आता परत तसंच करायचं. x is equal to a cos cube theta is given here. Differentiate with respect to theta. We get dx by d theta is equal to 3a cos square theta into derivative of cos theta. What is the derivative of cos theta? Is minus sin theta. So we get minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Say that it is number 1. And now y is equal to a sin cube theta is given. Again differentiate here with respect to theta, right? We get dy by d theta is equal to a 3a म्हणू आपण डायरेक्टली 3a sin square theta into derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So this is number 2. And by theorem, what is theorem? dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 substitute now here. dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta from second 3a sin square theta into cos theta and divided by dx by theta from 1 minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. बघा काय मिळेल? हे 3a get cancelled is equal to minus again here sin theta cancel and this cos theta cancel. So numerator remaining only sin theta and denominator remaining here cos theta, and that is equal to minus tan theta. Now here we have to find the value of dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. So that is equal to minus tan pi by 3, right? आता tan pi by 3 means 60 degree. So tan 60 ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची. So we get sin 60 by cos 60, right? Tan 60 means sin 60 by cos 60. What is sin 60? Sin third 60. आता बघा तुम्ही sin 30 ची व्हॅल्यू 1/2 म्हटल्यानंतर sin 60 ची व्हॅल्यू उलट लक्षात ठेवायचं √3/2 and divided by. आता बघा sin 30 1/2 आहे तर cos 30 √3/2 आहे आणि cos 30 जर √3/2 असेल तर cos 60 ची व्हॅल्यू हे 1/2. So 2 to get cancel again here value is √3. So minus √3, this is the value. dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 3, this is the value minus √3 is the value. अशा पद्धतीने हे प्रॉब्लेम्स सॉल्व करायचे एकदम सिंपल आहेत. अशा पद्धतीचे आणि भरपूर प्रॉब्लेम्स तुम्हाला या एक्सरसाइजमध्ये पाहायला मिळतील आणि खूप प्रॅक्टिस करा, छान प्रॅक्टिस करा. अतिशय सोप्या पद्धतीचे हे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. फक्त तुम्हाला गरज आहे डेरिव्हेटिव्हच्या फॉर्म्युलेची गरज आहे. सर्व फॉर्म्युले मी तुम्हाला चांगल्या पद्धतीने समजावून सांगितले, लिहून दिलेले आहेत. कशा पद्धतीने लक्षात ठेवायचे हे पण सांगितले. फॉर्म्युले पुन्हा पुनरावृत्ती रिवाईज करा आणि जेणेकरून तुम्हाला कुठल्याही प्रकारचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढण्यासाठी कठीण जाणार नाही. फक्त प्रोसिजर तेवढी लक्षात ठेवा पॅरामेट्रिक फंक्शनची कशा पद्धतीने. ओके, वी विल स्टॉप. ठीक.